Hello Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? And this is going to be for July 2021. Though timeless readings, let's see, okay? So this one card wanted to come out kind of in my fingers while I was meditating for you, and the message came through, okay? I heard kind of bounce back, kind of, okay? Now you have this card, let's see what it is. I feel maybe your expectation is all about to possible ascend something, possible it is about something in your mind that you really want to commit to, okay? Maybe those are words, spoken, conversation, something. Now let's just take a pause and begin here. You have Queen of Pentacles energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, might be, but this is your vibe, Capricorn. I feel this is about that you are going to settle things with someone, or you really want to proceed things also with someone, or maybe it's just about you holding something in your life right now and you are focusing on that. However, I see kind of bounce back. I feel something is coming back to you, or something that you desire to revisit possible, or you just want it, okay? Now when you want something, you are actually feeling that how you're going to tackle it. So this is all about the experience that you had with the person, because this is something solid. I see this is something that you are manifesting right now. This is something that you are in, possible you might be married, you might be in long-term relationship. I don't see something it's like of the startup. No, this is not like that. It is something that of the now, the experience, the hold, the possible demand of someone. Now we're going to see one more card connected. Maybe you're dealing with King of Swords energy here. So for some this may be exactly Queen dealing with the King. However, these are general wise, so may go vice versa. So I feel in this time frame it's all about organizations. July will be the month where you are going to be focused on one particular decision or one particular situation here, and it's not going anywhere, okay? So this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. This may be King or Queen. Wow, you have the Devil. I feel like kind of bounce back possible. This is your desire, okay? Let me put that straight. Now let's see few cards from the bottom. You have the Devil, your own card, Capricorn. I feel something is there that you might be feeling is not right possible, or is not like perfect, but you really want to hold on to it. Possible you're just taking pause before you proceed with anything, because you really want to, is that a word like going with sustain, or you know, just want to get to the constant, or you want to be consistent in something possible. But with the Devil, this is something that you really want to chuck out something that is not right in the relationship, but you want to maintain something. However, this is also bounce, so possible you're bouncing to someone, or you are deciding that. But remember, if there are red flags or something that is not happening, you need to actually convey that to the person you love. Maybe this is about the discussion that you're going to have with your person, okay? Something someone doesn't like, okay? Now when they don't like means it's not healthy. Something that is not healthy, something that is bound to happen and is happening. Possible this is what your person feels. If this is your person, this is your partner, this is your lover, whatever your connection is here, I feel they don't appreciate, which is not right, of course, okay? So Capricorns might be exactly dealing with such personality. Possible your person is rigid. Now why they're rigid? Because they might not be approving something. I feel approvement problems, so we go with disagreements. There might be some disagreements in the month of July with the person, but kind of bounce back is the scenario of people coming together again. Two of Cups energy, good to go. Reunions, unions, once again, kind of bounce back. So this is what you want, this is what you both appreciate. I also feel they also want to bounce, but it's just that they are a little cold right now, possible, or they're just unable to express that they disapprove something. Now that makes sense. If you really want to check out what is not right from the relationship, it's going to be more organized, because I feel that's like, you're just looking at it, where we are heading, okay? This is work in process. And if your work is in process, means it's going to progress. And the progress card is Two of Cups energy. So kind of bounce back, Two of Cups, a reunion, or union of any sort, okay? However it goes with you. You also have, wow, okay, Six of Cups, resurgence card. Possible this is about comeback, sort of bounce back. And this is something, a renovation, I feel. It's about the memories we laid. Let's create it again, or let's make it bright and glowy. That's what they're trying to say. I was supposed to take this card out. Please give us the sign. they're saying no, don't take it out, because there's going to be bounce, there's going to be sort of bounce, but then again you people are going to recognize this, but they're saying no, don't take this out, because this is going to come in the picture proper. Okay, this is like getting into peace with one another, and you know, having that reflection on what went, when you will have this. Now this is all about do not lose the pace. That's what I'm hearing. Do not lose the pace, Capricorns. This time frame is all about conversations and deep conversations. Okay, pulling your energies again. This may be the, you know, the one who walked away, or detachment over here, or you know, someone who's feeling like a U-turn. I feel like conversation is having a U-turn. Now in reality, they're saying that don't take this out, but though in reality this is like, this should come in real, like meeting, being together. This will come when you people will talk. Okay, so you need to come to certain conclusion. Is it a closer, or is it a closure? Depends. So let's see. In your now card, but Two of Cups is the call of like people loving one another, being in that frame. Maybe you are dating, maybe you are married, maybe you are in a bond, and how that bond is going. Okay, your energy is whole focused on, I'm telling you, your energy is focused on just this thing particular. And I kind of, you know, hearing the word kind, like kind of bounce. So maybe kind, someone is kind, or someone does want the other person to be kind towards listening. Okay, listen to me. This is also about listen to me. Let's share it. What is in your heart? See in your present call, Capricorns. Take it a little slow, okay? Little slow, because I feel this is the major thing here for you guys. Take it a little slow. Look, there's a lot that is going in someone's mind, yours or theirs. However, this is both of your situation, of course. So when this is going, there's a lot that need to be tackled, need to be said actually. Okay, and there's a way out of this. As I said, that there is a way out. This is something that you might not be first, you know, in your now recognizing, but kind of like bounce back means that you need to tackle the situation also. It's like unleashing. It's also something that is more, someone is in head too much, I'm telling you that. So it's like mental stress here. But I feel the one who is thinking so much, or both of you are thinking so much what is going to happen, you know, and where this is heading, is like you need not to think that much. I feel that it's like stressing yourself. Now the point is that you have the sun, and sun is boost. It's like giving life, it's hope, it's everything positive though. Sun is a Leo also, but apart from that, I feel like you're going to see the next morning with a beautiful approach. So if it is something that you are with the person and you had such an argument or disagreement, and then someone is overthinking and went to sleep kind of, and they're thinking that now how our relationship is going to go, then you need to know that there is not such thing like you need to be like, you know, too much in the head. Rather you need to speak. I feel the speech is more important here, discussion is more important here, because I also feel like they also want that. That's what is important, because both of you are concerned for the relationship or the status that you share here. There might be some kind of like habit or pattern, so you need just a little bit of change in that possible. Maybe your partner does want that, maybe you want from your partner. This may be exceed limit of something, maybe, you know, drinking, maybe some consumption, or over partying, or doing some things. Those are not right for the relationship, basically unhealthy. Okay, so what is that you need to discuss with them? Let's see in your future. Okay, Capricorns, what's in the future? Please give us the card. Souls and spirits. What is that you want them to know? Disappointment I see a little bit. 5 of Cups was there. Okay, but was not coming out exactly, but was out. If you saw it. Okay, that means that people need to put down that burden that they are feeling of the relationship, or some thoughts. Okay, it's also not trying so hard, basically not giving yourself so hard time. I feel that kind of energy. It's like just put that down and discuss. Okay, Put that down and discuss. If it is responsibility of some work that is connected with both of you, it is if it is about just talk that you really need because it's going in mind, too much in mind. um, this is saying that you need not to drag alone, so you need to speak. And if it is like it's too much, then you need to put that down, obviously. So I talked about closer or closure as well, but I feel people need to work here. Okay, I apologize, there is something. Okay, people need to work, and this is all about home, confession, you know, being on the other side, like what the other person is feeling as well. Maybe they need to speak. It's home, it's inside stories. It's something that you need to do the buck up, kind of like, you know, let's fasten up the seat belts and take the flight. So hello, this is something that someone is feeling burdened. Who is feeling burdened? Who is feeling tired here? People need to discuss that stuff. Your future is the call of certain kind of coming together. 3 of Cups energy, certain kind of celebration. 11:11 recording time, so celebration, coming together, hoping for the best, being in union, kindred spirits. And I feel like it's acknowledging each other's vibes. If you really want to stick around, because I feel that you want to. So if someone is thinking too much about the other energy or the relationship, that means that people, they want to come together. It's like, let's come together, let's settle, let's talk, let's make things light, let's spend more time. I feel you both need to spend a little bit of time that you are unable to, or you know, someone over here is feeling ignored here in the process, maybe because of work, maybe because of like we never went to date, kind of where we used to go. Something is not happening here that is like chucking the, you know, the spark out of the connection, not feeling that, you know, let's groove, kind of like let's go together. So this is something when people acknowledge each other's desires and come together, and which is positive. Okay, and this is also taking break from the monotony, taking break from your responsibilities. And if it is like you're single and there's a lot of work, then again, even if you're in a relationship, you both need to take a break, retreat, kind of. It's like, okay, you always do all this stuff, like kind of bounce. So basically, maybe this is also about kind of bounce, is like bouncing to your own life a little bit, pampering yourself, going out, meeting with your friends, get together, going somewhere, you know, dancing and listening to what you like and doing the stuff that you like. It's like, for time being, please take a break. This is take a break kind of energy as well. So let's see what is in the future. I don't know what happened. It's cold. Just give me a second. Let's start. I apologize. Okay. Let's see what does Sibila. Capricorns. That's your card. Okay. Please ignore. There's someone who is inviting someone somewhere. Also, there is conversation. So as I said, the main gist of this whole situation is conversation. Okay, talking things out. If it is like with family, people, members, lot of members are there, like 5, 6, 7, it depends. Then again, you need to settle down and talk. And if it is about just 2 of you and the third energy, kind of like your children are there or child is there, that goes that way. If you both are there, like in dealing, then you also again need to have conversation, which is important. This is solve thing. This will solve things. Okay, this will remove that sorrow the person is feeling, you or the other energy. Okay, so let's wind up this reading with romance angels. Some of you have children with your person, of course, a soulmate, children, and that goes that way. Okay, so you know the concern for your children possible. and you really need to talk things out because you people are karmically connected. Oh my god, you need to have heart to heart conversations. That's the best card you people can have. Why? Because in this situation, kind of bounce, and you people need to bounce to one another. Not everyone is separating, it's just that people have issues and then they want to discuss that, right? So let's talk it out. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other, and this will resolve your problem. Conversation, heart to heart conversation goes that way. That's beautiful. And this is also let go of control issues. Now, let go of control issues means just let go of the negativity basically in first go. Okay, this will also allow the situation to unfold naturally. Talk, let that person say, let you say, kind of. Okay, hopefully that you'll get guidance. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.